Good morning, everyone. It's May 24th, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, US. So, we're looking for another trade setup. Our prediction for yesterday's news were spot on. We predicted some numbers weren't going to be good, and we predicted a dollar index dropping, which it did. And we used that to our advantage to take four trades on Euro USD short. Took all day and half the night before they jumped into good profits. We're now sitting fairly good with the trades, and we'll take a look at them in a few minutes here. But we're gonna see what we can, if we can find a trade setup this morning. So we start by going to my own Forex.guru to take a look at the economic calendar to see if there's anything going on worthwhile that will move the currency. We see there's several reports coming out from a lot of different places throughout the past couple of hours, and some are good, some are bad. But when it comes to this morning and today, there's only one report coming out in about an hour and 26 minutes, which is the new home sales report, also referred to as MUM. So that could potentially move it. Our prediction is that it's going to meet expectations or go above expectations. And that's because we have taken a cheat sheet look at the US dollar index earlier this morning. So anything else is it's not until tonight, this evening, where we see trade balance reports and stuff coming out from New Zealand that may move the Kiwi dollar a bit, so we can try to plan on taking a trade later, but it's not part of our prediction this morning. So, somewhat of a slow day today, looks like, but we'll take a look. So, we'll jump over and take a look at the US dollar index, and you can now do that from my own Forex.guru as well. Trading tools, trading chart. We have set it to default to the dollar index when you go to this link. So we wait for the chart to load up, and what we see here is the dollar index, and we're taking a look at what will potentially happen. So we're going to draw a couple of lines to indicate what's going on right now. So it's sitting against a previous order block, and also considered a resistance, and a fairly good one. And if we take a look at what happened yesterday, we had a drop down to a previous order block, which we predicted, and it was spot on. It dropped down, and our alert went off. And we're trying to take a look at where would the dollar potentially go next. And when we look at it, there's a couple levels where we think it would continue. This level 95.81 is the most imminent level, and it's that level that is kind of indicating to us that the reports today is going to meet expectations or exceed them, because we believe that it will go back up here and hit it before it comes back down to revisit another order block that you can see on 4 hour short and 1 hour. So the next level where it will go to is when the dollar continues climbing, which we believe it will. We believe we have a level here, and then obviously another level. The next high level is up in here. That will take a while before it gets back up there, but we believe it will definitely come up here and then knock out this high before it takes a drop. And that drop will probably coincide with some raise of the interest rates. So this is in the future for sure. We take a quick look down here, and let's see if we go down to 4 hours. Again, we see here that it's breaking above that resistance that we talked about earlier, and we believe again that it will continue climbing back up then to come down to this level. And timing of people calling me in the morning is phenomenal. So it'll go up to the level that we saw on 1 hour or daily chart up here, 95.81, then to come back and revisit 95.46 level before it continues up. So that's our prediction. So we believe US dollar index is gonna have some strength. That means you can shorten any USD pair. So we're gonna take a look at the pound dollar. Pound dollar also pound is also referred to as the cable. So again, we'll take a look here. We see that it's gone up here to a previous order block, and also when you look at this consolidation range, we see that it's at the top of it. It's a fairly good resistance level here. We believe that it could potentially go up and spike out this high in order to create the second leg of an M. So if you have some imagination, you see the first here, the middle of the M, and then the second leg being created. And right now, we believe that this order block level line here is fairly strong. We believe that it will drop from here, so we're waiting for a setup. But again, we could have a peak up here in order to take out some stop losses from yesterday. And we continue working our way down. We see that it's worked its way up here. It's a 1, 2, 3 push, and it's struggling now to make its high. But again, we're waiting for that MUM report, new home sales. We think that will take this down. So if we do a short trade, just waiting for the right setup, we can take 100 pips. Half of that we take our first profit level at 62 pips, and the next one at 95 pips, down to the previous order block. So that's our setup for today. I hope it works out for you guys. Enjoy your trading. Here's our trades from yesterday that we took. We had 4 trades on Euro USD. We're up $200, a few green pips. So we're doing good. We are past break even, and we'll continue tracing this, and we believe that's going to be a bigger drop. So hopefully we'll end up with a $500 day here on Euro USD. Happy trading, trade smart, trade safe, trade another day.